Very exciting. I'm just gonna go straight into it because honestly, I don't even know what to say for this. Basically, during this next hour or so of me recording, I would like to get this game to as close as being done as possible. Like I said, this is kind of a, I'm trying to make this as small and reasonable to release in a month as I possibly can. So that's my main goal. Though I have been working on this for a while now. Got my chocolate milk. I'm ready. I'm ready. So for some reason, it's been releasing me on this untitled page. I don't know if that's gonna freak out for when I upload or when I do the final ship of the product. Hopefully it doesn't, or project. Hopefully it doesn't. Let me start off by just giving a quick playthrough of the game as it stands right now before I have done any of the fixes. So I'm just going to play a level in a new window. I'm going to start with the intro. So this is the whole game. This is the whole game from front to back. And we're just going to play through it multiple times. We're going to bug test everything and we're going to see how things turn out. So here's the opening. And of course I am using the horror engine. As you can probably tell, this is the de facto way. I think I might change the font there because that is a default font. And I think after a while I've kind of come smart to the fact that that is a default font. Here's the game. It's quite loud, but there's actually, oh shit, I did the wrong button. There's an alternate button for there's an alternate button for pausing, but if I do the escape, then it's not gonna do the right thing. Let me see if I can change the font here maybe. Because this font, it looks good on here, but I don't know, man. This is a me thing. That looks like a very defaulty font, especially for the opening of the game. I think the studio, the quote unquote studio, I'm doing like a fake studio like PT. I think that all looks good. I just don't know how I feel about. Well, let's open it up again. See, this fake studio name I think is really cool. Unreal is Unreal. I have to keep that in there legally. It's it's whatever. Some M. Here we go. Settings. Now, there's a lot of settings here that aren't applicable to this game, which is kind of weird. For sure. Oh my god, I did escape again. So I wonder if I can actually change. You think I can change that menu to be a little different, to not include the stuff that has the main menu we don't have to worry about. Load game is fine. Yeah, input settings. How do I open this up? The difference. This is a widget. This is a widget made by the horror engine developers, and of course I'm kind of copying off of what they have as a base. It's free on the Unreal Marketplace. I could not recommend it enough. It's been very helpful to use, and also the modular neighborhood, which is also another free Unreal asset that has also been very helpful in actually setting up the environment of the game. And actually, I don't think it's as simple as me pressing this. I think it's probably, there's like a separate, like hidden, if I had to guess, it's showing me this page. Oh, here we are, I think, right? This one. Ah, there we go. So what I would like to do is, because there is no, so run, focus, lean left, all this stuff is in the game. The stuff that's on the game, there's no pistol, so I don't want to, pretend like there is. There's no fire, there is no reload, there is no glow stick, there is no flashlight, there is no lighter, there is no torch, there is no flashlight, there is no night vision. So maybe they'll fix it. We'll see. There's an error with the compiling. I probably need to delete more than what I just deleted. Could not find a height variable. Yes, true. You don't want to find it. So where is this? Is there a way I can just delete these? Maybe. And just have them be the nothing. Obviously, this is not the cleanest rip on this, but like I said, we're not trying to do anything crazy. Let me just delete the variables. I don't think I'm super fucking up everything. I already removed them from the game. So if you try to use the hotkeys, nothing will happen. So I think we're clean. Let me try and compile it now. Looks like it's working out fine now. Let's go into the game. I'm not going to do the intro now. I think we saw the intro enough. Let me go straight to the level. The level is called Demo Map because I'm just using the stuff that's straight from the modular neighborhood demo. One thing I really need to fix is these stupid ass signs that I put over with my funny default texture, which is fine. But I realized I textured the entire billboard, which is the problem. So I'm gonna have to actually find the billboard asset in modular neighborhood. Hopefully it's pretty easy to find. I need to replace these with that, and then I'll just do a plane. I would guess this is probably in materials. I'm looking for like billboard, maybe. And in fact, maybe I just want to go straight here. Maybe I just look at billboard. It looks like a billboard or a board of some kind. Dokio board. Oh, it's probably this, I would bet. So I don't want to have this because it's this guy's info. It's very clear. That's just the default map. I went back and forth. He also does some advertisements for his own game within the demo, and I kind of want to let him, because he made the damn map, and I know I'm using this for free, but I want to like make it equal where it's like, you know, if he wants to advertise his stuff in here subtly and like there's a couple of like shacks here that have his like indie game up. I kind of wanted to keep that stuff, but these signs I can just replace with a funny meme here. So this was my plan. I was gonna cover these up with a plane. Make sure to always save this a lot because I do not want to lose progress. Set up a plane. 90 degrees. Not much of a horror game yet, huh? We haven't even played the horror game. Well, if you've seen JBR, which is the channel that I actually post like the trailers and stuff on, then you've seen probably Demo 2, because Demo 2 is the most popular video on that entire channel. It is really lagging, and I bet it's because I have OBS and Unreal up. I don't even have it lit up yet. I'm gonna hope I can record most of this. If for some reason the recording gets real jammed, then I'll upload of what I have, right? And then I'll have a little note at the end that says, hey, this is where my recording crashed. Uh-oh. Well, I hope you enjoyed what I had, and the demo will be out on JBR's channel. Funny faces in, get rid of all this. Funny faces in right here. There you go. Perfect. We just have to cover up the other two. Okay. So how I like to playtest and debug is I usually go through and just do a couple of edits at a time, and then I'll go into the game and try some stuff, and I'll do edits. You'll see what I do. Like most things on this channel, it's better if I do them, and then you'll just see like, oh, that's what he meant. There's a pool. Oh, that's not gonna work. I just realized that's not gonna work because I still have it so that I spawn. I was testing the winning. The winner area, which I don't want to do. Yep. Okay. So if I go into the menu now, go into settings, input settings. The input settings look pretty good. Just want to make sure there's nothing else here that I don't care about. I am being chased. The pausing does not help you in this game. There he is. Oh, I did the thing again. So in the real game, you're going to be able to press escape. In the real game, you will be able to press escape to go in and out of the menu. But in this game, in this mode, I have to press M, or else it's going to close out the fucking, like I said, watch Demo 2. If you want the clean experience, let me add another face to this. There we go, perfect. These are permanent. These are staying 100%. I am not getting rid of these. At night, I don't even think at night you're going to be able to see these at all. Where do I spawn? Let me see if I can actually go up to them. This place is a maze on purpose. Like I said, it's actually just a default map for. This is a default map. Oh, it's on the other side. Oh, it's all the way out. I have to go right. I never go right. Okay. Let me try going right this time. I think I spawn here. Yes. I usually go left from this house. The monster is this way. You'll meet him very soon. But I have to go all the way right. Maybe I want to try that. Okay. I think I'm just gonna have to turn down, or maybe I just won't talk when I'm playing. You just get the face cam. Monsters down that way. Very laggy, but I think that's because I'm recording. If I had to guess. I'm not really going to be able to talk to you guys while I'm playing this game, as you'll find out. Just once we're live. So the gimmick, Jesus Christ. There he is. Oh, here he comes. He's a PNG because I didn't do any bad. Oh, he stopped. Ooh, that's a good one. Okay, I'm just kind of running. I can't see anything. We're definitely going to need to light this up. I see him. Frankenstein-esque scenario. I don't know where I am. It's too dark. We're gonna have to add some lights here. Oh, this is exactly what I was thinking was gonna happen. I fell into the pool. So yeah, if you want a good demo footage of this where it's actually supposed to be scary, I would definitely watch the trailers on JBR. I'll try to release one. Like I said, I think at the beginning here, the game's not going to come out after me doing like an hour of work on this. But we have a problem with these pools, which is that you will fall into them and you will not be able to get out. Which makes me wonder how we want to handle that. Do we want to get rid of them? Do we want to... Seems like it's probably going to be really hard to get rid of, huh? Maybe I don't want any pools. Maybe that'll be easier. Because then otherwise I'm going to have to handle, like, water and stuff. I'd like there to be a splash noise when you go in, though. You know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and let's start getting rid of pools. I'm gonna just go ahead and get rid of the pools. So probably what I want to do here is I probably want to do something like this. And then get rid of the extra stuff and the conflicting pieces. Like I said, this is gonna take a little while. That's a reason why the game's not coming out this week. I do want to light these areas up though too, like what I said. I think the question becomes, I can't really light them up. It doesn't really make any sense to light them up with the with the street lights. Do you think I can have like porch lights? If I look up on here porch light, or even let me just look up lights. See if there's an asset from one of these libraries that will help me. Street light, that's just the light that I've been using. Not really. I might just use the street lights. At least for now, and then if I think of something else, I'll do something else. I'm gonna grab the street light. Cover up this area for now. It might help if I do it lit. If I do it lit. Like if I lit up the scene, I would be able to see the range of the... I was gonna say, I thought I fixed the lighting on my face, but it turns out I just have the window open. I have a different light that I've been using, which has helped, but it's sort of unrelated. This is now a new, better lit backyard. The only problem is that there's a couple of yards with the swimming pool, so this isn't really going to help that much. Rotate these around. Oh, I'm going to have to do the whole rotation. Doesn't have to be precise. Like I said, we're not doing a professional game here. We're just doing a demo. Sort of similar to Hiking from Home, although Hiking from Home ended up kind of as a disaster. This game, I feel like, is going to end up a lot more fun. I enjoy playing this game. I did not enjoy playtesting Hiking from Home. Mostly because playtesting anything on... playtesting anything on VR is kind of a nightmare. Hold on, this way. Might change the audio. So all these backyards are very dark, which I'm not a big fan of. Like this big tree. Mark the big tree. We need more lighting here. Did I fall into something? No. Oh, there's the faces. Oh no, he found me. So you cannot see what they say, which is perfect, honestly. I don't know where the pool is, but right now I'm just trying to run. So you're supposed to hide in the trees, or it's not trees. You're supposed to hide in the houses, hence why they're all lit up. Oh, here's a two-story. So can we go in here? Oh, I fell into the water. So where is that? Oh, this is probably the water I fell into, right? If I had to guess. So I went around. Where was I? Yeah. Yep, this is the one I fell in. Oh, funnily enough, the lights were right here, and then the big tree. Right around here, so I probably want some lights in here. I'd still do it pretty sparsely, so like a light like right near the edge of whatever this unmarked area is. Yeah, 180, like right there. Just 2 more lights. For right now, I'll see how much better that is, or worse. But let's do a run now where we actually hide in one of the houses. But let me cover up that pool. So I don't pull it again. I'll do a similar thing where I cover up the pool. I delete the assets. I I cover it with lights. The game is fun to play. The only problem is that the game's kind of scary, which was not my... Well, no, that was absolutely my intention. to make a scary game for Halloween. However, I didn't think it was going to be so scary that I was afraid to playtest it. Some of these backyards a little bit better lit, since you're probably going to be running through backyards to escape the entity. This their backyard is actually smaller than the other one. I thought this would be felt like it was a bigger pool, but I guess. Or maybe the pool was bigger, but the backyard wasn't as big. I don't know. Let's play. Let's actually try to hide in one of the houses like we're supposed to play this game. We're supposed to be clever, not running. Okay, let's try our old route this way. I am running right now. There's a lock too that you will rarely use. But these have the lights now. You can see a little bit better. Go inside this house right here. I'm pretty sure the low frame rate is just me playing on me doing OBS, because it wasn't like that before. Let's go in here, and he cannot. He's not supposed to be able to enter the houses. This house is supposed to be lit. It's not lit at all. This is terrifying. It's supposed to be lit inside. This house for some reason is not lit. I'm gonna try going in this one. Oh my god, come on, get me out, get me out, get me out, get me out. This one is lit. This is what they're supposed to look like. So starting on the porch, he can't follow you. Let's see if we can spot him. I wonder if I can actually get him around. I'm gonna be able to fuck with his AI and take him this way instead. Ooh, I don't know where he is. I don't hear him, so I'm gonna go for it. I'm just running. I'm not playing this game like you're. That's for immersion. Like some lighting here. There's supposed to be some stuff. Okay. Open here. Let's hide. This one's lit as well. Like I said, I usually don't take this route. I usually take the left route. You see him? You usually hear him before you see him. The fact that the door is open is really freaky. But he can't come in, like I said. That's the point. He can't come in. I'm gonna go on this corner so that maybe his AI gets fooled into going down the back, which will not help him get to me. Okay. Try this. Now the next house right there. Like I said, you can't make a straight shot because he runs faster than you. Back this way for the porch. Now, if you get really lucky, he'll get stuck. But I just don't believe it. Oh, I think I see him. You see him right there? It's not getting into focus, but I think he's right there. His face is lit. By the way I made that character is very funny. I'll tell you when we're not in as intense of a situation. Jesus. Yeah, I don't see him. I don't hear him. I think I might want to reduce the fuzz too. But let me actually just hide in this corner real quick. See if I can Like I said, I'm trying to get his AI to go the wrong way. Which is kind of the point of this game. Okay, let's run for it. That house now. Our goal is gonna be like down that way. So it's funny, in Demo 2, I accidentally tripped him up. I was actually intending to get caught at the end. To make a stinger for the demo, but he actually just did not find me. You know, like, he might have gotten stuck, but I don't want to risk it. I think I want to reduce the, yeah, I think I want to reduce the static. Oh, fuck, you see him, you see him, you see him? You see him? It's not focusing on him, but he's there. Beyond the trees. He's there. He was looking for me. How freaky. Let's go. Should be able to jump all of the fences. Can't jump this. This is too high. Be careful here. This is an error. Is this an error? Or is this... Does this actually lead to somewhere? No. This leads to somewhere. I used to have a longer ambient track. This one's pretty short. You're kind of starting to notice it loop a lot. The only problem is that if I make it a little too long, it'll slow down the game. Which is a thing with... Actually, can I go back this way? Get him more confused. We might be able to win this. I'll be really excited if I can win one round of this. Ooh, in fact, maybe I want to go down this way. Should I risk it? Because the exit... Oh, you see it? This is going to be tricky, though. I don't know. I might have fucked myself over here. Me jumping is not helping, but it's for in case there's a there it is. That's our exit. So you're looking for the blue thing. It's always going to be in the same place. I went back and forth as to whether I wanted it to be random. I think I'm just going to keep it in the same place because the game's hard enough as it is. And I think we are good. Let's go in and... Wow! We won! We did it! We won! Okay, let's see if we can reduce the static. I want to do a lot of things after that one. There was a house that needed to have some lighting. This whole row doesn't really have some lighting. I wanted to add some lighting here. What was the house we went into that wasn't lit? That one's not lit, so I might as well. Yeah, I think that actually checks out. I think this one was not lit. Get some lighting here. I am not looking forward to getting back in the game. I'm only halfway through this footage. Let's finish the winner's room too while we're here. Like I said, reduce the fuzz a little bit. I actually don't know what controls the fuzz. I took the settings from a different game I was working on. So I knew it at the time and then I forgot. Okay, that one's lit now. Light posts on this side as well. In fact, I guess I can end it off on a good note, but I don't think I need to in the next 30 minutes. It's probably gonna take me 30 minutes to get this all built out and everything. Oh, I never put the other. I need to place the plane on that. Let me do that. I probably need to keep going down this whole street in order for it to make sense. I have more playtesting in store for me. I can also disable his follow logic briefly so that he doesn't chase me across the map. I can just focus on looking at what the game looks like in game. That's the power that you get as the developer of the horror game. Okay, perfect. Yep, that's exactly how it's supposed to look. Save. Let's fix the winter room. The winter room actually just teleports you up here because I was going to finish off by saying congratulations, you won. Can I switch? Sorry, can I make it so that just want to select this? Is it just selecting this, or is it selecting the? I do not want you to just select. Oh, it is selecting both. Well, how do I just select the I want to just select this. How would I do that? It's just this. How did I separate it the first time? Oh, I see. It's this. Ah, now we got it. Okay, cool. So so it faces you here. Would rather it face you towards the sign so that you immediately know that you won. This is my first ever Unreal game, and I don't know how to formally end one of these, so just chillax here, I guess, and you can leave whenever you want. IDK. Okay, can we have some like word wrap? Oh, line can be multi-line using BR as a separator. You got it, brother. Can I change the font size? Oh, I can even center the text. Nice. I wanted to change the font size. This is the header. How would we do like 1.5 and 1.5? Perfect. Can I have? Is there like a food? Can I put like cake here or somewhere or something? Like a food. Uh-oh. Oh, I saved it. That's actually probably a good thing. Like food. No, there's no food. There's drinks. I just want this to be the chill room. The chillax room. Then add some soda. Whoa! Add some soda cans. Whoa! Holy shit, that thing's huge. My god. That's a big soda. This, can I fucking stop zooming so fast? Oh, where'd it go? Huh? Oh, it's right here? Wait, what? Really? It's just a radio playing and a couple of sodas on the table. I would add a pizza if there was a pizza. Alas, there is no pizza. It's just a 12-year-old's birthday party. That's what you get when you win. That's so funny. For the horror game. Okay, let me bring this back to correct size. I don't know if I want to fill this whole thing with Coke bottles. The game's already slowing to a crawl. I mean, it's slowing to a crawl because I'm fucking recording, whatever. It's like free drinks. Does that even look like the right size? Can I just teleport straight into the room? Well, let me do back my thing from before. I'm just gonna teleport straight into the level from here. See if this works. Oh, it just always teleport? It just always faces you that way. Oh well. Imagine being horrified for the past like 30 minutes, and then finally you find some blue portal, and there's a shrieking awful noise, and you look at this white wall, it just fades to white, and you just hear this out the fucking side of your ear. You're like, what the fuck? By the way, once again, I cannot see you guys because the camera is in such a fashion that it like this would be my view of myself, and there's a microphone in the way, as you can probably tell. What if the other side of this was just the same stupid smug Pepe face? You would be pissed if you got this as your game over room. I'd be like mad. I'd be like, really? This is it? But that's part of the charm, you know what I'm saying? He's backwards. Okay, hold on. There we go. Perfect. And this is just the first image. I put this in as a tester. This was actually originally the monster face. I just put this in because I didn't have anything else for. I'm gonna need a. Is there a way to change the grid on this? Like how far it? Oh, I can just do it manually from the big table for like so few drinks. Let's try this again. Okay, I just want you to imagine. You don't know where you're going. You download this game off itch.io. You have no idea how it works. You didn't read the description, because if you read the description, it'll tell you exactly what to do. But you've been running from this strange monster, which, by the way, is a combination of the Boiled One torso and Scary Thomas the Tank Engine top. Because those were the first two images I found when I looked up creepy on Google Images. And finally, you see this big blue portal here. And you're like, what the hell? And you're just running towards it. The guy's right on your tail. You're like, oh Jesus. I guess I have no other choice. You go in, it starts making noise. Like, oh god, I'm just gonna go in there. He's scary. It's scary to see that. It's so funny. That's absolutely the winner's room. 100%. I'm sold. Take in mind, there's even more smug Pepes elsewhere, but you just can't see them. They're Easter eggs. Okay, let me see if I get. Let's play this for one more time from the top. Okay, I'm gonna go through Old Glory, down left. This is my route right here. This is my route. This is what I did for Demo 2. Let's see if we can recreate Demo 2. I went in here. Over here. And we wait for him to catch up. What if he just gets stuck? What if we don't even have to worry about him? So frightening. I'm gonna have to start doing runs with the AI off or something. I don't see him. Where'd he go? He's supposed to have come by now. Did I really get him stuck at the very beginning? Do you think could we have gotten so lucky? Honestly, I'll take it. So from there I went to, oh, this house doesn't have any lights. Oh no, it does. There's your fucking thumbnail, asshole.